Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Ctl-F and today we will be implementing a custom game engine, and I will be documenting step by step the process to do that. We'll be using C++ as that is my language of choice. The goal is to make a game engine that's easy to use, configurable, and hopefully reasonably performant. We'll be using cross-platform free libraries. I'll try to keep dependencies to a minimum, but obviously we'll need some. So for window and event management, we'll be using GLFW, GLAD for the OpenGL stuff, and GLM for linear algebra. For the renderer, I want the renderer to be configurable, so the core engine library will mostly provide hooks for defining a renderer. And we'll, as an extension to the library, we will be implementing three different opt-in renderers. All three of our renderers will be leveraging OpenGL. However, in the future, if we decide that it sounds fun, because of the flexible nature of the design of the renderer, we'll be able to implement basically any renderer that we want as it fits our needs. So, if we want to implement a Vulkan renderer or a DirectX renderer or a metal renderer for any reason, as long as the API is compatible with GLFW, which all of the main rendering APIs seem to be, then we'll be able to use it. We'll also implement logging, math, obviously windowing and input management. We'll have some sort of game entity framework, some sort of method to make asset management easier. Eventually we'll implement scripting. I'm not quite yet decided on what language we'll use for scripting, but here's some options, and who knows, we may even decide to implement a custom script, just because I think it'd be interesting to learn how to implement a custom scripting language. So we'll see. Physics, I'm not sure if we'll get around to implementing them or not, just because there's already a lot of established physics libraries, Box 2D and such. So we'll see. Audio, we'll need to implement audio. I want to implement some sort of UI functionality to make UI rendering easier, whether that's a custom renderer or if it's an extension to the renderers, we'll see. But we will be implementing UI to some form, and what game engine would be complete without an editor? So as soon as we implement the UI, we will be implementing an actual editor for our game engine. And after that, probably some sort of game. So that's the project. It will be a journey. There's a lot to do, but I'm excited, and I hope that you enjoy. Feel free to follow along in the videos. I'll be going over setup. I will not be teaching C++ or OpenGL. Obviously, I will explain things that hopefully need to be explained, but this is not an intro to C++, nor is it an intro to OpenGL. But if need be, we can open some channels. We can do some videos explaining those topics as well. If that's something you'd be interested in, let me know in the comments. So there's the project. Hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to see the next videos, and yeah, I'm excited for this journey. So thanks for watching. See you soon.